What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to monitor your credit score with Kikoff. Alright, let's get straight into the video. First up is accessing your credit score. What you want to do here is to open the Kikoff app and log into your account, and then you just want to tap on the credit score section to of course view your credit score, and then your credit score is going to be displayed along with other information on how it's calculated and factors that are going to affect credit score. Now, to understand your credit score, the first thing is the credit score range. Now, Kikoff uses the Vantage Score 3.0 model, which ranges from 300 to 850. And the second thing is credit score factors. So your credit score is based on factors such as payment history, credit utilization, credit age, and of course credit mix. Now, for credit score tracking, you got to note that Kikoff provides credit score tracking, allowing you to monitor changes to your credit score over time. Now, for credit score alerts, there are some things to take note. The first is to set up credit score alerts. So Kikoff allows you to set up credit score alerts, which notifies you when credit score changes. There's also customized alert settings, so you can customize your alert settings to receive notifications when your credit score reaches a certain threshold or when there are changes to your credit reports. Now, for credit report monitoring, you can view your credit report. So Kikoff provides access to your credit report, which includes information on your credit accounts, payment histories, and of course credit inquiries. You can also monitor for errors. So you can review your credit report regularly to ensure that it is accurate and up to date. You could also dispute errors. So if you find errors on your credit reports, you can dispute them through Kikoff's platform. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to monitor your credit scores with Kikoff. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.